Everybody please rise. Teacher, please rise. But teachers, how many are ready to become transformers? Say aye. Teachers, put in your heart. Today, I know we are already teachers. All of you, knowingly, unknowingly, are doing incredible work. Incredible work we are doing it. And I understand these days the amount of credit given to us is not that great, isn't it? Understand? But let's keep doing it. Isn't it? We are not doing it for anybody. We are doing it for the Teddy who are there in your class. There are Teddies in everybody's class. Okay, teachers, hands on your heart. My every student is a genius.
My every student is a genius.
My students love to listen and concentrate.
My students love to listen and concentrate.
I am an inspiring teacher.
I am an inspiring teacher.
I love teaching.
I love teaching.
Teaching is fun,
Teaching is fun.
inspirational,
Inspirational.
learning,
Learning.
purposeful,
Purposeful.
and great.
And great.
And great.
And great.
I believe in my students.
I believe in my students.
I expect the best from my students.
I expect the best from my students.
This line is from Pygmalion. I believe in my students. I expect because the belief will change the behavior. Isn't it? Yeah. I'm a living role model to my students.
I am a living role model to my students.
I do what I say.
I do what I say.
I give the best to my students.
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 Teachers understood? Shall we do it now? A wonderful declaration. Purnjita, can we do this? Teachers, this is my mantra every day. Every day. And I can tell you, I teach phenomenal. And as you must have seen, I have fun. Isn't it? I have fun. I believe everybody's got immense potential. Somebody has to believe in us. Correct? Isn't it? As adults, we can survive. We can make through. Okay, yaar nambranglo illiyo. But kodandingla? Those one or two people matter. Families, teachers matter. Teachers, Palama, come on, hands in your heart with level 10 energy. Come on, level 10. My every student is a genius.
My every student is a genius.
Come on, teachers, more energy. Everything should vibrate in this classroom. Today, we are going to transform from as a teacher to a transformer. Yes, ability to change. No other job can do that. Have you noticed that? No other job can do that. My mom is 72 years old and till now her students reach out to her. Till now she is teaching also. She is teaching about 4 or 5 children. She will go and pick up children from the park. Means not just pick up children. She will talk to auto drivers. She will see who cannot pay any fees. Vegetable sellers kids, milkman kids. She will train them every day about 4 to 7. About 4 to 7, you must meet her. If you see, she glows. She glows like a light bulb. Seriously. And I think that what is this lady is not becoming old at all. Teaching keeps you so lively, isn't it? No other job. No other job. I was a scientist, I worked in Nokia, I worked at very high. The level of satisfaction and the level of love you get in this, tremendous. And blessings. Teachers, do we get blessed? Yeah, we get blessed so much. Our karmas get added up. Isn't it, teachers? My every student is a genius.
My every student is a genius.
Wow, bring it from your heart. Come on, come on. My students love to listen and concentrate.
My students love to listen and concentrate.
Love that. I love the vanilla ma'am look. Wonderful. Now, be in it. Because this is something. We are all here as teachers. We can be a catalyst. We can change. Dharani ma'am, right? Divya, you're a transformer. Come on, believe in yourself. I'm an inspiring teacher.
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 I love teaching.
I love teaching.
Wow, love that. I love teaching.
I love teaching.
Come on, bring love. I love teaching.
I love teaching.
I love teaching.
I love teaching.
Teaching is fun.
Teaching is fun.
Come on, teaching is fun.
Teaching is fun.
Teaching is fun.
Teaching is fun.
Inspirational.
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 Learning.
Learning.
Teachers, have you all learned so much by? Yeah, we learn a lot. We learn. I was a person who doesn't have patience. With becoming a teacher, I got so much. For me, patience was, how? I will ask God, give me patience, give me now. Give me now. So that it has made me a very patient person, isn't it? Teaching is learning.
Teaching is learning.
Teaching is learning.
Teaching is learning.
Purposeful. Come on, purposeful. 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 And great. and great. Heart in heart. And great. I believe in my students. I believe in my students. I expect the best from my students. I believe in my students. I expect the best from my students. I'm a living role model to my students. Teaching is a calling. Teaching is a calling. I do what I say. I give the best to my students. I give the best to my students. I give the best to my students. Teachers, we will do a visualization now. Keep your papers. Repeat in your mind. Repeat in your mind. Everybody stand. Everybody stand. Hands in your heart. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay, teachers, what we are going to do is we are going to do a visualization. Hands in your heart. Just close your eyes. Okay. Everybody take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Whatever I say, repeat in your own mind. Hands in your heart. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, hold, and exhale. Take another breath in. Breathe in, hold, and exhale. Relax, relax, relax. Repeat after me. I love teaching. In your mind, only in your mind. I love teaching. In your mind, don't have to speak louder because it'll interrupt others. You are going to do a process, wonderful process. Keep your eyes closed. I love teaching. Teaching is fun, inspirational, learning, purposeful, and great. My every student is a genius. My students love to listen and concentrate. I'm an inspiring teacher. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Teachers, now bring those teddies in front of you. I know each and every one of you have a teddy in a class. Maybe even more. Bring them. Look at them. Look at them. They're there right in front of you. You're in your classroom. Many children are there, but teddies is there. Visualize them. Look at the teddy. Look into the teddy's eyes. Teaching is a calling. Teaching is purposeful. I love teaching. I'm a mother at school. I'm a mother at school. I love teaching. I'm an inspiring teacher. Teaching is a calling. I believe in my students. I expect the best from my students. I'm a living role model to my students. My children love to listen and concentrate. Teaching is a calling. I am blessed to be a teacher. I am blessed to be a teacher. I am blessed to be a transformer. I teach subjects and I teach life. I teach subjects and I teach life. I'm an inspiring teacher. Visualize them. Look at them. The teddies are there. Visualize your own children. Your parents. Visualize them. My child is a genius. My child loves to listen and concentrate. I love teaching. Teaching is fun, inspirational, learning, purposeful, and great. I believe in my children. I believe in my child. I expect the best from my child. I expect the best from my students. Next 30 seconds, keep your eyes closed. Repeat these lines in your mind. Let it go to the deepest part of your heart, deepest part of your mind. 30 minutes, 30 seconds, complete silence. Visualize the teddy and look at the teddy and keep telling those things. I am a transformer. Take a nice deep breath. Slowly open your eyes and welcome back. Welcome back. Teachers, please.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.